Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a device from Google Find My Device. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here, I have the app opened. You cannot directly delete or remove a device from here. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to go ahead and open up your Google account. Well, you can go ahead and find that in here and just tap on Manage Your Google Account. Or you could go ahead over to your browser and open up myaccount.google.com/security. Okay, again, myaccount.google.com/security. After once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on security and sign in. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down to find the section, your devices. Okay. After once you're in here, just tap on manage all devices. And go ahead and find the device you wish to remove. For example, maybe just this phone right here, Galaxy S21. I'm going to tap on it. After once that's done, just go ahead and tap on sign out. Okay. Tap on sign out. And then just tap on OK. Go back and do the same with the other devices that you don't recognize. Okay. And go ahead and check your Google Find My Device app or the Find Hub. And when you try to go ahead and refresh it, it will still be in here, as it may take some time for Google to update the list of devices that you have under your Google account. So just go ahead and open the Find Hub from time to time. Okay. Refresh it, and it should be gone in a few days. And that's basically it. That is how you remove a device from Google Find My Device. Well, I hope this video helps out. I'll see you in the next one.